What's up, guys? Got my coffee ready. You can see I've got everything ready for the morning. Made a little bit of a mess making my coffee, but who cares? It's all over with, and we're ready for the day. So today is Thank You Thursday. Alright guys, hey, I'm back, and I know it's been a few days. Everything's been a little bit crazy. I've been waiting for some new stuff to come in, and it's all here, and I'm shooting on some of it today. Over the next few days I'm going to be taking this stuff apart, and we're going to be looking at what I've got that I'm using that's new and how it's helping my workflow and all that good stuff. So I am going to show you though what I was using to take my videos with before, and this is a Sony Alpha 58. If you see right there, it says Sony Alpha 58, and for the lens I was using a Bauer. See, I was using a Bauer 35mm f1.4. This is a monster of a lens. The only problem of it is I'm shooting it on an APS-C crop sensor filter, so this 35mm filter turns out to be like a 50mm filter whenever I'm ready to shoot. So it's a little bit difficult to work with, whereas with the new camera that I've upgraded to, I don't want to tell you unless I actually have told you already, but I don't intend to tell you what kind of camera it is, but I bought it for some specific purposes, some specific things that it has in it. But as far as what I was shooting my videos on before, I was using the Sony Alpha 58. Has a tilt down and tilt up screen. It'll even shift, but that's about all it'll do. You can't really monitor the work that you're doing without buying a bunch of expensive monitors, and I really wasn't interested in doing that. So it's a really good camera for video. As far as photos, it's not the best, but I mean, what can you say? You've got a $500 camera body, $300 lens, so it's $800. So you're going to get a good image out of it, but you're not going to get the greatest video out of it. Especially nothing like the video you're getting, you know, right now, where you can focus on everything. So if any of you guys have an idea what kind of camera that I'm shooting on, before I reveal it and before I start breaking everything down, I want you to leave your comments in the link below. As I've spoken before, we're having an Amazon, not a raffle, but if you comment in the comment bar below about anything that I'm discussing, then at the end of the month we're going to have a drawing for two $25 Amazon gift cards. And so far I don't have many names to choose from, so we need some more comments down there so we can spread the love a little bit more. So anyway, I just wanted to touch base with you guys, let you know where I've been all week. Been waiting on new equipment to come in. It's just been crazy. So anyway, I hope you guys keep watching, keep enjoying the content, and for now we'll see you next time. Bye bye.